Goa is the smallest state in India. Its capital is Panaji. Panaji or Panjim is the north end of Goa. There are two districts in Goa. Goa was a Portuguese colony. Goa is famous for beaches and luxury hotels with an area of approximate 3,700 square kilometer and 1.9 million population. Famous beaches of Goa are Kalangutte and Kandolim Beach. Goa is more than just beaches. North Goa and South Goa is two parts. This pint-sized island sand island is a paradise for all those who want to ditch the boredom of regular life and regenerate their care. There is something unique, something very magnetic about beaches in Goa, which manages to attract millions of tourists every year. There you can see crystal white sands, the long range of palm trees along the shoreline, the serene landscapes, and the regenerating atmosphere in Goa beaches. Images it is definitely make you want to go to Goa immediately. There are a number of things to do on these beaches, which one simply cannot miss. The beaches in Goa are the hotshot destinations for some of the most thrilling destinations for some of the most activities like parasailing, boat rides, cruise rides, and soaring and snorkeling. In Goa, you can not only see ocean and visit sand, there are much more to enjoy. Events like music nights by the campfire tire place on the beaches here, which is a truly mesmerizing experience to the tourist. Primarily, there are two types of people in Goa. The first is the group who visit Goa for the hippie culture, the nightlife, and the thrilling adventure sports. The second type is the group who visit Goa for tranquil time away from the hurry-burry of life and away from crowds. Goa has a perfect destination for all of these people. The beaches in North Goa are more suited for the young crowds, the people who are here for the beaches and the bros. On the other hand, the beaches in South Goa are perfect for the people seeking an undisturbed vacation. These are some of the most prestigious beaches of Goa. Amongst all these, the Arambol Beach, Bagatar Beach, Morjim Beach, Kolava Beach, Aksum Beach, Orson Beach, and Anjan Beach are the best Goa beaches for the foreigners. There are beautiful waterfalls nearby, enriched by dense green forest also. Tambadi, Surla waterfalls, Dudsagar waterfalls in South Goa, Budrock, Shilap, Ulpoi, Charavan Falls, Hiver Falls, Sulusut Falls, and there is a wildlife sanctuary. Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary is the biggest sanctuary in Goa, and Fort Ekoda is 17th century Portuguese fort in North Goa. It is 18 kilometers from Panjim. There are many temples, churches also in Goa. Church of Church of Lady of the Immaculate Conception, Panaji here, and then the Basilica of Bom Jesus Church at Panaji. Here is the tomb of Saint Francis Xavier of 400 years old. Dead body is in good condition. And temples like Sri Mahalakshmi Temple, Ponda, Mangesi Temple, Goa, Shivaite Temple, Santa Durga Temple, etc. Sipling is a new activity in Goa. Then water sports like boarding, kite surfing, snorkeling, parasailing, paragliding, diving, and kayaking and common in Goa. Tourists can visit Goa by night and enjoy the nightlife. There are many travel agents who arrange a night tour by river cruise, a pleasant 60 minutes to enjoy the calm and cool of river Mandovi while you watch the lively culture of Goa in songs and dances like Deki, Fugidi, and Portuguese Corindano with love music. There are small ship arranges the river cruise with casino. Big bus stand is there also at Panaji. Madgaon, Marmugava district, Goa is the only railway station in Goa. Panjim is the Panaji district, North Goa is the Assembly Hall, Secretariat, Government Office, etc. Vasco da Gama district is the big city in Goa. There are more than 45 beaches in Goa. This is because Goa has a long seashore, so there are many beaches, there are many churches, temples, museums, waterfalls, wildlife sanctuaries also in Goa. Panaji is the capital of the small Goa state. Goa has three important museums: the Goa State Museum, Naval Aviation Museum, and the National Institute of Science Center and a planetarium. Goa Science Center and Planetarium, located on the picturesque Mirror Beach in Panaji, provides a perfect ambience for exploring science through hands-on expositions. One can learn science through discovery process home in ideal settings for family-based outing to have fun-filled entertainment. We can visit their science park, science ocean, fun science 3D fantasy show, daily 5 shows in 15 minutes duration, cyber lab, Taramandal, sky observation and planetarium, exciting demonstrations, science shows, etc. Science shows, computer awareness programs, and many more. Visiting time 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Entry ticket Science Center rupees 10 per head. Special shows 3D fantasy show rupees 10. Taramandal rupees 2. Planetarium rupees 15. 3D science show rupees 15. Goa state was formed on May 1987. It is a capital. Its capital is Panaji or Panjim. Largest city is Vasco da Gama. Goa is a state on the southwestern coast of India within the region known as the Konkan. The Portuguese landed here on 16th century as merchant and conquered it soon thereafter. The Portuguese India existed for about 450 years until it was liberated by India in 1961. Its majority and official languages is Konkani, but Marathi and English is also used. Goa stands sixth in the top 10 nightlife cities in the world in National Geographic Travel. Notable nightclubs in Goa include Chronicle, Mambos, and Sing. Politics: Goa parliamentary constituency has one Rajya Sabha seat and two Lok Sabha seats. Its legislature has 40 seats, 40 MLAs. Goan culture is an amalgamation of both Eastern and Western style. The prominent local festivals, Christmas, Easter, Carnival, Diwali, Shimagog, Chawat, Samvastar, Paduo, Dasara, etc. The Goan Carnival and Christmas New Year celebrations attract many people here. Goan cuisines are Goan prawn curry, a popular dish throughout the state, and pork vindaloo is a popular Goan curry dish in the state and around the world. The chamios, Goan sums are traditional Goan fish curry, tandoori lobster and fries and vegetables, tandoori prawns with sauce. Beverages: the most popular alcoholic beverage in Goa is feni. It is made from the fermentation of the cashew fruit. Coconut feni is made from the sap of toddy palms. Arak is another local liquor prepared from cashew fruit. Goa is also Archi wine culture. There are main beaches to see are Anjuna Beach is known for hippies. Anjuna Beach in North Goa. Culture from all around the popular witches should visit Anjuna is various artifacts to clothing and jewelry. And Kalangutta Beach is the longest beach in North Goa, known as the Queen of Beaches. There are multiple water adventure sports available here, along with a lot of restaurants with shakes where you can visit back with a drink and relax. The best way to explore this beach is on bicycle. You can rent one bicycle from here and tour around. There are popular pubs and desert resorts in the area nearby. Baga Beach starts where Kalangutta Beach ends. It is beautiful here in nightlife and craziest practices, as well as Baga Beach is also popular for water sports. It is on the North Goa. Then the Candolim beach starts from the famous Agoda Fort and ends at Chopara Fort. It is a clean and crowded beach. Candolim also offers a couple of options for great nightlife experience in North Goa. Vagator Beach starts from the famous Agoda Fort and ends at Chopara Fort. It is a clean and crowded beach. Then Vagator Beach is the most intriguing beach amongst all the beaches in North Goa. This beach is a bit rocky to be cautious while swimming in the ocean. Then Morjim Beach is a perfect ecosystem to host the olive ridley turtles every year. Since the nearby villages have a Russian immigrant population, Morjim is also called as a Little Russia. Morjim Beach also has a variety of options for nearby pubs and resort to explore. Arambol Beach is one of the most beautiful beaches in North Goa. There are plenty of food options to explore on the restaurants on the beach. Apart from there are popular beaches, there are many other beaches in North Goa like Chapora Beach, Mendorim Beach, Ashwim Beach, Singarim Beach, etc. Then the famous beaches of South Goa, Mobor Beach is one of the most popular destinations in Goa. Even though throughout it is a bit crowded, the beach has its own charm. Then Palladium Beach is a perfect beach at South Goa for the couples. The soft sand accompanied by a cool breeze and the palm trees make it a unique experience altogether. Then the Agoda Beach, Clova Beach is located